Hi, it's Mr. Model Paul, and this is the not completed but nearly completed. I've done a sale, as you can see. It's had a silk varnish, and the colour there is a bit brighter because I actually sprayed it separately, but once I've done a bit, and if you turn it slightly it goes to the same colour. It's just the way that it looks, but it's had a varnish over it. It will have a oil wash over it at some point, but there you go. So if I just come back, go round, and there you go. So that's what I've done so far, and my hull, the actual hull piece, has gone a little bit further now. Basically I've actually painted it, and I think I've shown a photograph. If not, you'll see that later on. But I've actually put the foot bits on there. I didn't glue them on because when I put them in, because there's PE parts hold it in, just move them, bend them slightly back on themselves, and it's solid as a rock. So that's got to receive a clear coat tomorrow, so that's that. But what I'm actually doing now is getting ready to do this. I may do these on video, so you can see these. See these clear parts? These go into there. Now I've made a decision. I'm going to do a port and starboard light, and then I'm going to do a faint blue on the front ones, because it says orange at the back and blue at the front. I can't see that because I'm sure there would have been port and starboard. The other German submarines that I've done have got that. So I'm just going to check into it a bit, but that's what I'm going to paint these. So I'm going to paint two blue, very faint blue, clear blue that is, and then do green and red clear on that, and then put it into slot. And yeah, so these are on here ready to paint. Makes a bit of common sense, I suppose. So that'll be there. So that's it really for this little that part of segment of this. So I'll catch you on the next segment. Here we go. I nearly said happy modelling, I would say at the end. Never mind, here we go. Right, back with the next segment. I'm just going to be doing a bit of painting. I'm going to put some clear red on a couple of one of these, and I'm going to pick this one. I have sprayed this stuff before, but it doesn't matter. It would be 2 coats definitely. Or 1 if it looks okay. I have sprayed it, as I said. It's better, sometimes it's better to spray, but I'm going to do the bottom. There you go. Red one's done. I think that's looking nice. Red always does go nice, I think. Right, so I'll clean the brush off and come in with some green. I've got to clean this up now. Where's me? Is that the one? Let's have a smell. Nope, that's just water. So, but I've moved things around, everyone. Here we go. Here's that one. Yep, this is it. There we go. That back, and we get the green one out and give it a shake now. That's it. When you want them, you can't find them. Oh, over there. No, they're not there yet, so Got to go back to the old hand job. Oh, I've got it done this time. Must have add a bit of spinach while I was off camera. Here we go. So put the brush in. Nice big dot. Now we do a green one now. Do the top first. Oh, what's on camera still? Oops. Yep, I think that's not a bad coat. Right, give that brush a bit of a clean and clear this muck up. It's all needs to go away. Yeah, it's oh, it's the wrong one. Here it is. Oh, there you go. Oh. That's it. Well, I'll call that quits for this segment. A short one, thankfully. But basically, I've got to find some blue for these two. So a bit of blue. So that will be a very thin coat, I think. Right, so that's the end of this segment. I'll catch you on the next one. Well, that was funny, wasn't it? I didn't actually switch it on for record, and I've been talking away. I'm doing the blue ones. So that's what we got, and the blue's been done, and that's been done with lacquer because that's the only one I had. So I've got clear blue lacquer, and they spray really well as well. So now I've got to clean this brush off and from the lacquer. And you haven't heard anything I was saying while I was doing it. But anyway, you can see now they've all the 4 lights are done, and I'm going to just leave them at that. Right, happy modelling everyone, and I'm going to call this quits on this update, so it'll be a nice short one for a change. But happy modelling.